madness.
Hello and welcome to Tuhin's editing, and today I'm going to show you how you can crop any video inside Adobe After Effects. So we have a clip here, a video clip that is on the timeline, and I'm going to crop it. To crop the video, all you have to do is go here and you can see there is a button that is called region of interest. Click on that one and then drag this rectangular bar as you want to crop. That's it. You can crop any way you want, any place you want. So I'm going to crop it like this one. Let's see how does it look. So yes, I think it will work for me. So after doing that, it's not really cropped, it's just showing the frame. To crop, go to the composition and then crop comp to region of interest. Press on that one, and right now the video is cropped and you can render, and you can see after going to the composition settings, the height is reduced. Originally it was 1920 into 1080, so when I cropped, it's the new size 840 pixel. So this is how you can easily crop your video inside Adobe After Effects. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.